Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to subdivide in Blender. So the version I have right now, the current version, or as of right now I have this version, this Blender version 3.4.1, but this will apply if you have different Blender version. So let's jump right into the video. If you want to subdivide, it's pretty simple. Just go to select the object, go to edit mode, press tab on your keyboard, and then you can right click on the object, right click, and now select subdivide. Okay, now as you can see, subdivide, and you can also now we have this window. You can expand this window and you can increase the number of cuts, but you can also press A, and you can also right click and subdivide as many times as you want. Now you can also select the object and go to edge, and here you can also click subdivide. Now I have a lot of cuts as you can see here, but yeah, overall that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll create a tutorial if there's something that you don't know how to do in Blender. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials. Thank you.